siya nawala. Sure ka na ba dyan sa feelings mo? Ang bagay sabihin mo na. Sobrang bilis na marinig pa sa iba. When you hold me like this, kiss me like that. Huli hangin?
Walang hangin.
Ang
Tugsinin mo.
sakto na eh. Kuha lang gang ya, 32. 32 na siya. Standard na 32. Dahil, tahi. What? Ang kabalo sa intro na eh. 25 years of my life will still time to get back to being home. For this destination, I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of the brotherhoods of man. Whoever I meet. And so it was in the line of me just to get enough once in my head and I a little bit younger. So I wake in the morning and step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I skip the top of my lungs. What's going on? And I say, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Anak, may sudan o. Tortang ibon. Wala pa yung mga pamaho, guys.
Diba?
Sinamahan pa lang kanina sinugba. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Sige pa, kunti na lang.